If you're bored of having the same lunch, you need to try this delicious orzo pasta salad. This is perfect for meal prep and is packed full of flavour. To get started, we're going to boil our orzo. So to a pan of boiling water, you're going to add 250 grams of orzo along with some salt. Once that's cooked through, you're going to drain it and add it to a large bowl. To add some flavour to our orzo pasta salad, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegan induja. We're going to do this while the pasta is still hot and just let it sit for a minute before mixing it in. Once that's mixed through, we're going to add some cucumber, pepper and tomato to our salad and give that all a really good mix. If you want more easy meal prep recipes like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To add some more flavour to our salad, we're going to add the juice of half a lemon along with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and some oregano. Give that all a really good mix. To finish off our salad, we're also going to add some olives and some feta, and again mix that all the way through so it's nice and evenly distributed. This salad is so easy to make, and once it's done, you've got your meal prep sorted for the week. This delicious orzo pasta salad is definitely one to keep in your recipe book, and you'll be making it again and again.